Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the Wilsmere hack reaction. आज हम उसका मैकेनिज्म, उसका एप्लीकेशन और उसकी जनरल रिएक्शन देखेंगे. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Wilsmere hack reaction involves a convenient method for the formulation of aromatic rings. Method applicable to active aromatic substrates such as amines and phenols. So in this reaction, formulation of aromatic ring, this is aromatic ring, this is our aromatic ring, and here is a formyl group, that means C double bond OH. So the formulation of that aromatic ring takes place in the Wilsmere hack reaction. This is our active electrophile, this is POCl3. The reagent used for the formulation is prepared from N-methyl aniline. This is N-methyl aniline, formic acid and phosphorus oxychloride. Cobalt chloride may be substituted for phosphorus oxychloride. So this is our active electrophile. So इसे कैसे तैयार करते हैं उसका मैकेनिज्म हम देखेंगे पहले तो. उसके बाद हम फॉर्मुलेशन रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म देखेंगे. So in the first step, formation of active electrophile. So this is our N-methyl aniline, lone pair of nitrogen attack here like this. Formation of this intermediate takes place. Further, this lone pair of oxygen takes hydrogen from here and here neutralizing takes place. After that, here is the formation of H2O plus, that means good leaving group. So it can remove like this here, and it can remove like this. Here the formation of N-methyl formanilide takes place. Formanilide takes place. It undergoes resonance like this. Its resonating structure like this. This is our resonating structure. After that, this is our POCl3. It takes O minus like this, and Cl is rearranged like this here. So the formation of this intermediate takes place, and our here carbocation formation takes place. Here is our carbocation, that means counter cation, or here is our counter anion. So it is called as active electrophile. After that, active electrophile attack on the aromatic ring, and the further reaction takes place. That is called as the formulation of aromatic compound. The mechanism of that, अब उसका mechanism देखते हैं. So this is the mechanism of formulation of aromatic compound. Firstly, here is electron donating. Q means any group which donate electron pair, that means lone pair to the ring. Example like OH or NH2. That means here maybe OH or maybe NH2. Lone pair of Q attack here like this, and formation of carbanion takes place here. Here is our hydrogen. So this carbanion attack here, and the formation of this compound takes place. This intermediate takes place. Okay. So further aromatization takes place like this. Here aromatization takes place, and the formation of these, and in the presence of aqueous sodium acetate and steam distillation, that means oxidation takes place, and here is the formyl group is attached at the ortho position. It may be attached to the para position also. And formation of H3PO4 plus HCl. Phenolic ethers and dialkyl anilines are smoothly formulated at ortho and here para positions. Okay. So let's talk about the applications of Wilsmere hack reaction. There is important application is the In anthracene it is formilated at the 9th position. That means here we can see, here is our 9th position. So the after Wilsmer-Hack reaction, here we can see formyl group is substituted. So this is our Wilsmer-Hack reaction. Thanks for watching.